Another Wednesday. Another week went by. Snowball bush is gonna bloom soon. There's the little flower buds. Irises are getting ready to bloom. If it don't frost tonight, there's a chance of frost. Which the last freeze we had bit back my wisteria. It had all kinds of blooms on it. That peony's gotten big. Well, they got buds on them too. A big flower bud. Have to cover some of my plants up. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I got way too many to try to cover everything. Just hope it don't frost, I guess. That's called an honesty plant. It gets like little silver dollar things on them. All those flowers will turn into these little seed pods that are flat and disc shaped. And when they dry, you can peel off either side, and the inside's almost a see-through color. Looks like a silver dollar. These are the last couple flower buds that are on my wisteria that didn't get frostbite. Up against the poop house. I'll have to come out here and trim this back when we get some weather that's not so windy. Boys are being bad. Check this little plant over here. Last year, a lady had passion vines on sale. And I went and got a couple. And this one's starting to come back up. I might have to come over and put something on top of that. Some wild strawberries blooming. This flower bed doing pretty good. You can see where the hosta got bit back by the last frost. I got to redo this flower garden yet. I haven't gotten rocks yet. This hosta was bit back a little bit. Back up this way, Roscoe. I'm not going that far today. Oh, here's some more irises getting ready to bloom. Cat knocked something in the water. There's one of those red buds. Leaves on it, heart-shaped. Some more of that honesty. There's some sedum. That gets real pretty pink flowers on it in the fall. This is a little shrub I planted. It's a spice bush. In the fall, they'll get little reddish orange berries on them that are edible. I guess you can use them for, like, a lot of the early settlers and the Indians used to use them for spices in your pumpkin and stuff. Pretty kitty. Big fat. There's one of my weeping willows. All this will grow up and be red hot pokers. They'll get huge. This is a little piece of a shrub I brought back from my grandmother's. It was her hedge around her driveway. I brought back 3 or 4 little pieces, and this is the one that survived. It was only like, I don't know, 3 or 4 inches tall. And it's been growing the last 4 years. I've trimmed it back, try to keep it a little bit in shape. I've got little pieces on the porch started. I might plant a little bit more in here. I don't know where I'll plant them yet. Being silly. Being silly. Yeah, the wind's been whipping around here. Yesterday was really bad, just a howling and a whipping. Today is quite windy, but not as bad. Come on. Come back home. There's a real redbud, hasn't gone to leaf yet. I say come back home, Roscoe. I'm just coming down, look at the tree. Come on. That there tree's a walnut tree. There's all kinds of walnuts here in the falls. Fall in the creek. You can hear them falling on that tin on that old building. Sounds like gunshots sometimes. I forget which one of those trees is a acorn tree. They come down and hit that tin. 2-3 years ago, there's so many acorns it hit it. It would sound like machine gun going off, going. That's a hibiscus, Rose of Sharon. It's not getting ready to do anything yet, but they get real pretty flowers on them. Come on, come on home. Where'd Roscoe go? There, boy. Come on. The vinca or the periwinkle, whichever you call it, is really blooming out good. Those are different kinds of lilies. Some irises. They're lilies. Come on. Come back in the yard. Okay. Well, I hope it wasn't too windy. I don't have any fancy mics or anything. I just talking to my phone here. And I'm going up the hill. But I'll let you go till next week. See what the frost does to everything tonight. We'll get you hopefully a more interesting video once the flowers and garden starts blooming. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye.